morning this morning. Yeah, clouds. A little cloudy, not too bad. Yep. Maybe rain last night, I don't know. Looks good. I think the clouds are going to clear. It's going to be a beautiful day. Yep. Yep, that's right. All right, we'll catch you in a few minutes. It's Christmas morning, yeah. Good morning from the Philippines. Yeah, live from the Philippines. I see it. Good morning to you. It's Christmas morning. Merry Christmas. We're here in Baler Aurora. Yeah, we did a live stream last night. Doing good. Yep. Now we're going to have some breakfast here at the hotel. And then we're supposed to go to see the family. Which I will do a live stream, hopefully, if the signal's good. Yeah, alright, we'll catch in a little bit, okay? We do a live stream, that way you'll see it. Plus I'll do video in case the live stream don't go, yeah. Yeah, so we can film the family first reaction when they see us for over a year. Yeah, alright. And we got a surprise. We'll catch in a few minutes. We'll go catch some food, alright. So Wayne, live in the Philippines. We'll be right back. Hang on. Hey, breakfast time. Yeah, food. Good morning. Merry Christmas. Yeah, we're filming food. Yep.
Yeah, this is long, guys.
Yeah, we have food this morning. Coffee. Everything. Providence. Yep. I try to film people drinking, people eating, mom socializing. Yep. Looks like it's gonna rain today. Whole family's here. It's good. Put up tarp. It's a rain.
I hadn't seen the ducks up there swimming.
It's raining. They don't go on the water.
Ducks like water.
They don't go in the rain for that.
Tatanay kong batricycle. Baliya sa dog.
Dog. Did you know that? Hey, it's raining outside. They're trying to get her to sit under the shelter, but she don't want to. She wants to sit in the rain. That's the way she is. That's the way.
So let's eat. Mamaya halika na. Eto na nga. Oh, where's your mom?
She's inside. She's already got a bowl of stuff. She got a bowl of salad or something. I don't know what she has. Something. Hey. Uh-oh. I feel like I'm in a store. I feel like I'm in a supermarket or something. Every time I turn around, I bump into somebody. All the time. I'm bumping into people. Is it working? That's good. Making selfies. They want to be in picture too. Smile. They're trying to see.
Andito ako.
They want to see. We're standing out here having fun, looking at mountain, countryside.
Rice field. Ay, really ka, picture ka, may post ka naman.
Yeah, rice field. Yeah, rice field.
Ano, gusto yung iPad?
iPad?
Yung picture? Dahil ko na pili na, ako na pili. Kung nagaragay ka?
Saan daw sila, ante?
Kung nagaragay na Paula ka pili, ginapang kawatay dyan, agin aawis kayo, ba't ka mas kunwari.
Saan sila ang nanay?
Ducks, Providence living duck. We'll show you washing dishes. Providence living. Yep, women washing dishes.
Anak? Kami, Friday.
What? What, you want me to pump water?
Yeah, you want to try the water?
I can do that.
Very easy.
I know.
See the duck swimming time.
Yeah, I know. I got them. They're coming out because the sunshine. It's a dog. Yeah, sunshine. Women's work never done, huh? Thelma's taking a selfie of her sister. Hey, coconut trees out here. See the coconuts? They got a pile of coconuts here. Everything. Even got Sky Direct. Everything's all good. Got some few plants here. Oh, like peppers or tomatoes or something. Yep. They have ducks. Oh, the ducks are here. Yep. It's good. Sealy. And they have banana tree. Ever seen a banana tree? There's a banana tree in the Providence. Yeah. They have banana tree. This is outhouse. And they don't have indoor plumbing, so this is outhouse. High tech. Yeah. It's a high tech thing. Yep. There's the ducks. We have ducks. We have pond. We have more coconuts around here. What?
Vilma. Picture ka? Kami nga na ha? Halika, hello.
Selfie picture. Here we have coconuts. Water well. Cooking more food. Pots drying. Yep. Yeah, this is a good motorcycle. Yamaha. Yep. It's a good one. Yep. You can see the Providence. You can see the mountain out here. This is where all the family lives. This is where Velma's sister lives. You see all the tricycles, motorcycles. Yep. Mom sitting up yonder. There's motorcycle. I think that's a Transstar 155. Yeah, it's a Transstar 155. Motorstar 155. Yeah, it's a 155cc. Yep. Yeah, they have all the Providence, the grass out of here. There's a rice field. Yeah, rice field out here. And you have the mountain up there. You have the coconut trees, banana trees. This is a road that we come down. They have to fix the road. They live out from the town. Last time I was here, there was a calabout here, but he's not here today because it's too hot. Sun's out today. Yeah, the sun's out. Well, we got more video coming. And we're getting ready to go. You can see the house here. How it's made. Wonderful house. Everybody's standing out here, getting ready to go. We have all tricycles all lined up. We're ready to go. Yes, catch you in a minute. Get it. They're posting picture. Yep, they're posting picture for Facebook. And we're getting ready to go. Nice tricycle. Good one. They should all be like this. Wonderful tricycle. I'm gonna ride on the back of this one. Yep. Yeah, gonna ride on the back. Yep.
Ang dami din gulaman. Ay, nung mag-aatan to, diretso dyan. Di ba kanya daatan eh?
Hey.
Ay.
Pag lumalagatang na data, si Bakudan na.
Yes, you want video of your cat?
Ay, wow! Okay naman sa gida. Ay, tingnan na. Siguro nakawawi na gito. Tagdadi, gatang-gatang na.
Uy.
Tagtitape lang nga. Galaro na.
Ay, yung mga tinatang yun.
Pasukan nyo ulit.
Ayun na, tagito nga talaga.
Huwag na yung isasama na yan.
Laglag to, tipira da.
Pwede bakit sige,
madam. Hindi, tapiram.
Nalalabusan ka na.
Ay na, naubos mo yung 10. 10 na yan, 2 lang. Saan yung sukli mo?
What is that?
Dadadog.
Hey, cat. Yeah. Hey.
Kapag yan, itong dalawa yan na ako.
Hey. Can you see face? Yeah. Can you see face? Yeah, there you go. Yeah, we got the Christmas village. Maria Aurora Town Hall. Yep, Maria Town Hall. Yep, Christmas lights. Yeah, so you can see the town hall. Yep. We'll go inside so we can see everything. Paper on ceiling.
Isang paratawan na ako. Pero naman sana maganda rin.
Yep. It's a star. Yeah, Christmas star. Yep.
There's a stay on hill.
Huh? Okay. I don't Christmas village. Yep. Yeah, people taking selfies. Yeah, I know.
Whatever. Oo nga. White snow. Hindi ko talaga nakita ako. Galing. Ay, wala na yung doll. Wala na yung Santa Claus. Wala na yung pababa. Ay, yung pinapano.
Oh, it's just paper. Uh-oh, lights went out. Power outage.